And welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my empty apartment tour. So I guess you can see a little bit. Yeah, I'm actually moving in tomorrow. So today I wanted to show you like my empty apartment. I just got the keys. I'm really happy. I visited this place back in October. I visited the Mauro unit, and this building is like a new construction. So they just finished like just now, and so I'm able to move in now. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my house. So okay, so I guess I'll just give you a bit of an overview of my place. I actually just got my bed delivered from Wayfair today, so that was like the perfect timing because I got the keys today. So let's walk over there. So this is the front door. So this is like my little entryway. I'm probably gonna have a mirror right here so I can see my outfit. And here is like a closet room, not closet, but like storage space. I already have my jacket, a bag. Yeah, I have cats, so this is probably where the litter box is gonna go. So, and then this is the kitchen. So I love that it's white. I feel like there's good lighting. This is not an island. I'm not gonna have stools here. I'm actually gonna have a table. But yeah, these are the cabinets. I don't know. I'm not sure like what really you wanna see. So I don't know if you wanna see like inside, but these are the cabinets. And yeah, this is the kitchen so far. So this is it. And then actually I'll show you. So my place is a 1-bedroom plus den. So this is the den actually, and I'm gonna turn this into my closet. So this is gonna be like my closet and like makeup room. So it's not big, but it's a good size. So at first I was actually gonna get a 1-bedroom, but with all the stuff I have, there's no way it would have fit in my bedroom, you'll see. So I'm really glad I have this space here. I'm gonna be able to get ready, film videos if I want to. So yeah, there's no closet here, but I'm gonna turn this into a closet. This is it, and I like the door. Okay, now let's go into the bathroom. And I really like the bathroom because I feel like there's some good like storage, and I love that it comes with a separate shower and bath. So here it is, and then the shower, and then you have the toilet here. There's actually a lot of storage, so I love that. I'm gonna be able to like keep my hair products here, and I'm probably gonna get ready here most days. Storage is really good in here, so really happy about that. And yeah, I'm gonna be able to film like makeup tutorials in here if the lighting is good. Yeah, I mean the lighting is good. Okay, so now, so yeah, this is where my dining table is gonna go. And then I'm gonna have my sofa here. I actually got like a really nice sofa. Really excited to get it. I ordered it from the Bay. So here is like the mini fireplace. It actually like, it heats up, so that's nice, but it's also just gonna be really pretty to look at. I do like that there's many like light fixtures, so it's not gonna be dark. And then I bought a few lamps, so I think the lighting is gonna be good in here. Okay, and then here, I actually have like a in-unit laundry machines, so really happy about that. And then this is my bedroom. So my bedroom, you'll see, this is smaller than, you know, my bedroom at my parents' house, which I'm still gonna call my house. Like I'm just gonna have 2 houses now. So it's small, but it's gonna work, you know? I mean, I'm really hoping my bed is not gonna take up the whole room because I did not measure my bed when I bought it, so we'll see. But yeah, I really like it. I mean, it's cute, it's cute. I'm probably gonna have like a mirror here. My bedroom is actually going to be quite simple, but yeah. Okay, and then here there's actually a pretty big closet. So at first, like I didn't think I was really gonna make like a walk-in closet in my den. I thought it was gonna be more like an office or like makeup room, but I'm actually gonna use it because there's not that much like storage space. Yeah, I'm gonna use my IKEA Alex drawers that I used to use for makeup. I'm gonna put all of my underwear in it, And this I'm actually gonna remove. So this is gonna go because I won't need it. I'm gonna have like my IKEA drawers here for all my underwear and all that. And then here I'm gonna store like blankets and stuff. And then on this side, I'm gonna use it for like my robes, my PJs, like my nicer things that I want to see, you know. So it's gonna be like my lingerie closet. But yeah, so this is gonna be that. I'm gonna use it for like a linen closet, I don't know. So yeah, this is the closet, but I'm happy that it's like a really good size. And I'm again gonna have a mirror here. This is it. I'm sorry I'm kind of out of breath. I'm not overwhelmed. Usually I'm very overwhelmed in life. It doesn't, like, I mean, I just got here like an hour and a half ago, so it's still like super fresh. These are my keys. I'm just gonna cover my apartment number. These are my keys. There's also a gym here. There's, what else? I have like a thing downstairs, like a storage unit kind of, so that's good. So yeah, I'm really excited. This is my first apartment, and yeah, I'm really happy. I'm excited to like decorate everything. I mean, I bought pretty much everything. It's just some things are not gonna come in just yet. But yeah, for the past like 2 months, because I've known I was gonna move in October, sorta. So I've been preparing and all that. So I'm just really happy and excited. I feel like I'm still taking kind of everything in. Like I haven't fully realized that this is my house, you know. But it's my new house. Yeah, I feel like for the longest time I was super excited to move, and I couldn't wait to like film my empty apartment tour and all of that. So I feel like I manifested this place, but also like moving and stuff. And today I'm finally like doing it, and it doesn't feel like surreal that I'm actually doing it, but I'm doing it. But yeah, I'm really excited. I don't want to repeat myself over and over again. But yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't posted anything on Instagram yet. I should send a picture to my brother actually, because he did not see the place yet. I feel like, you know, sometimes you need kind of a like, my eating habits were not the best recently. Since the second lockdown, I feel like I've been eating a lot, and I was kind of like, you know, when I'm gonna move, it's gonna be like I feel like to break a bad habit, sometimes for me I have to like start something new. So I mean, so this new start for me, like I'm here, I feel like I'm gonna be healthy, I'm gonna be the best version of myself. So I'm excited to like eat really healthy, and just, you know, be back into making videos, like just be, yeah, the best me possible. So I feel like I'm a grown adult now, so I'm really excited. I, you know, want to share with you everything that I'm gonna do with this place, and obviously film when everything is gonna be done. And yeah, I will film tomorrow as like the move-in day, and I think I'm gonna sleep here on Sunday night. So today's Friday, Saturday we're moving in. Where? Me. Yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna go now because my camera's actually gonna die. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm excited to bring you along this new chapter of my life. I feel like every 5 years something kind of changes in my life. Like 5 years ago, I feel like for the past 5 years my life has been the same. I ended 2015 ending a relationship, and then I started 2016 kind of fresh, and then I've been living the same life, I feel like, since 2016. But then I ended 2020 on like a good note, I guess, and then 2021 is gonna be like a fresh start moving into my place. So anyways, I was thinking about that yesterday. I was like, oh, I guess I make change like every 5 years. I guess. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I gave myself a nice blowout and everything today. I haven't worn makeup in like over 2 weeks, so I feel like I wanted to look good for my apartment. So yeah, thank you for watching. And if you want to follow me, I feel like I was not fully myself in this video, but I'm just like nervous. Not nervous, but like, you know, lots going on. So thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon in a new video. Okay, bye.